Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you're from. I hope you are having a wonderful day today. And today, we are bringing you some more Castor Maritime because it has been moving massively the past couple of days. And we are going to be delving into why that is. Before we move on, if you enjoy the video, please make sure you go like, subscribe and comment. Also, we've got our Discord now, so if you want to ask myself or Sam any personal questions, join the Discord. It is completely free and we show you what we're looking at, the reasons why we're looking at it, and yeah, just answer any questions for you. Remember, we are not financial advisors, we're merely university students, so remember to do your own due diligence. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So as mentioned, we are talking about Castor Maritime Incorporated. Now, before we get into it, who are Castor Maritime? So Castor Maritime is an international provider of shipping transportation services through its ownership of dry bulk vessels. Now, for those of you who don't know what dry bulk shipping means, it refers to the movement of commodities and like raw goods such as iron ore, coal, wheat grain, but it can also go to wood, steel, that type of goods. So as you can see, the more ships they've got, the more goods they can transport and the more profit they can make for their shareholders. So what has been causing it to be moving massively the past few days? Well, a lot of it is caused by Reddit itself. So Reddit users are causing this. They're pumping this stock. There's a lot of talk about this stock. They are constantly mentioning in it. And as we always say, where there is a lot of talk about a stock, there is demand for that stock. And where there is demand, the demand shifts and obviously price shifts with it. So that is one of the main reasons behind this massive jump that we've seen the past couple of days. Now, what else is happening surrounding it? We are still waiting for the upcoming earnings report of Castor Maritime. It was predicted to come out on the 3rd of March. It is currently the 9th of March, so nearly a week overdue. So this will come out. And as I've already mentioned in previous Castor Maritime videos, I am not fully kind of hopeful about this earnings report. I don't think it's going to be the best that it can be. However, what does that mean? That means the stock will dip, and that means that presents a great opportunity to buy. Moving on from that, further factors show in the past 3 years since 2018, Castor Maritime have grown their fleet from 1 ship all the way up to 14 ships. Now, as we've mentioned earlier on in the video, what does this mean? The more ships they've got, the more goods they can transport. The more goods they can transport, the more they're being paid. The more they get paid, the more profit they make. And again, I'm not fully sure on what the return of investment on these shipping fleets are, but I will try and find out, and I'll bring that and I'll mention that in the Discord when I find it. So what does this show though? This shows that they are an upcoming company. They are a brand new company, but they are doing well. They are doing very well. They are growing quickly, they're expanding quickly, and they're going to be making profit quickly. As we can see, it's currently up 5% in pre-market, so it spells a good day, especially when you can see the Nasdaq and the S&P downs. However, the Dow Jones Industrial is up about 1% today. So yeah, I still hold my price target, and again, this is my personal preference on what I think it can reach. I still hold my price target at $2. I'm probably going to wait until the earnings report comes out and buy the dip off of that, but even at 85 cents at the moment, I don't think that is a bad buy at all. I think that is a very good price, and it can more than double throughout its kind of entirety this year, especially going through earnings. So without further ado, I'm going to wrap it up here. I hope all you guys have a massively fun week trading, and yeah, just a good week all round. And I need to apologise for not actually uploading the past couple of days. I've been bogged down with university work and coursework. It is what it is. So I do apologise for that. I know Sam has been in a very similar position to me with coursework and deadlines coming up, so we do apologise, but we are back on the wagon now. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.